It's an honor to have you here. My name is Nate Krampe. I'm the Vice President at Summit Investment Advisors. Let's take a quick look at Medtronic, and they reported strong sales last week. Now, the Star Tribune's Christopher Snowbeck reported last week that following a great quarter of strong sales, Medtronic did have diminishing profit margins. Medtronic's officials last Tuesday suggested that one key to future growth is contracts that link payments to these medical devices, basically making for patients to have good outcomes. Medtronic now has more than 1,000 hospitals operating under contract for a certain combination of heart devices and antibacterial envelopes that lower payments to the medical device manufacturer depending on whether patients get infections. And this is basically what Omar Ishrak, the Medtronic's CEO, the Chief Executive Officer, said during the conference call on Tuesday with investors. Now, in addition, Medtronic has commercialized 5 other value-based healthcare programs, and where a portion of the company's payments is tied to a specific patient outcome. Now, across Medtronic, and this is what Omar Ishrak was talking about, they said, we remain focused on leading the shift of healthcare payments to systems that reward value and improve patient outcomes. So, for basically the quarter ending January 26, Medtronic posted nearly $7.37 billion of revenue, and that's an increase of over 7% compared with last year after adjusting for currency impacts and basically any divestitures. So, there are basically a number of different ways to look at this and do some analytics in this, and basically what happens is that yes, they had strong sales performance, but kind of what they're talking about, and again, this is what analysis goes through, is that they didn't fully show everything on the bottom line. And so more importantly, Medtronic now is going to reiterate that it has good financial guidance for the fiscal year, and which will end in April. So there's always a lot of things that we need to be paying attention to with stocks and companies. But just remember that there are things to be paying attention to, and earnings are one of them. So as you have questions, dive into the earnings. Make sure you know what you're invested into. With that, have a great day.